Lewis Hamilton has finally taken his first lap in a Ferrari, a moment that feels like the start of a new chapter in Formula One history. Ferrari fans have gathered in their thousands to witness this historic occasion. The air is thick with mist, but the excitement is palpable as Hamilton's red car speeds past, marking the beginning of his journey with the most iconic team in motorsport. Hamilton's chasing what he describes as the masterpiece of his career, an eighth championship with Ferrari. This move has drawn comparisons to other great drivers who wore the red of Ferrari, from Mike Hawthorne and John Surtees to Nigel Mansell and Michael Schumacher. For Hamilton, this is more than just a career move. It's an opportunity to cement his legacy not only as a champion, but as a Ferrari champion. Today's session is a filming and publicity event, allowing Hamilton to get a feel for Ferrari's power and engineering. He's driving the 2023 car, which provides a glimpse into what he can expect from the team's latest machinery. While conditions are far from ideal, cold, foggy, and running on less capable demonstration tires, Hamilton is already forming impressions. This initial feedback will help him and his new engineers, including race engineer Riccardo Adami, start building the rapport they'll need for the upcoming season. The crowd's energy is undeniable, with fans eagerly watching Hamilton's every move. For them, this is more than just a test lap. It's the potential rebirth of Ferrari's championship hopes. The team hasn't won a constructor's title since 2008, or a driver's title since Kimi Räikkönen's 2007 victory. Hamilton's presence brings renewed hope that Ferrari can return to the top. Ferrari's 2024 season showed promise, particularly with Charles Leclerc's strong performance after the summer break. However, consistency and reliability remain key concerns. For Hamilton, the mission is clear: to fight for that elusive eighth championship and bring glory back to Ferrari. As the day continues, Hamilton's first laps have already left a lasting impression on fans and the team. The dream is alive, and the journey begins. Can Lewis Hamilton achieve what no other driver has done at this stage of their career? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the story of Hamilton and Ferrari is just getting started.